All right, how did it go? Let's walk through building this together and you can check your work. So the first thing we're gonna do is go into my code, get the static template for the news detail, copy that, and drop it into my news entry template. And of course, I don't need most of this at the top and the bottom, so we can just get rid of that. All the way down to breadcrumbs. I want to extend my underscore layout / main template and then define my main block so we can override the main block that's in this template and then end block. And now I'm going to go look in the browser and reload. All right, so everything looks good. Everything's rendering. Because I've sort of verified that things are at least rendering statically properly, I can now start to bring things to life with full confidence that I'm not going to introduce any issues with just the basic layout. So back in the code, we need to, let's see, you got home, news, so we'll just update our breadcrumb here. And then the article title, remember we have access to the entry object always and automatically. So entry.title. And this is just the name of the news section. And we're just going to leave that static. So this will be the news article or lead. So this should be entry. I think we did introduction. Let's verify. So we'll go to settings, sections for news. We'll go to the entry type. So we did excerpt. And then here is the actual title again. So entry.title. And then the byline is going to be entry.author. And then the copy, get rid of all of this. Right to there. And then entry. What do we use? News body. All right, let's take a look in the browser again and see what we did. Went pretty quickly, right? Go to our site, reload. There we are. Check out the new coffee coming soon. Great, everything looks good. The only thing I noticed is that it says by admin, so it's using my username instead of my first name, last name. So if I go into the control panel and I go to the right to my user, I can look at this and you see I have admin. I don't have a first name and last name, so I'm going to put that in and save it. And now if I reload, now it uses my first name and last name, which is exactly what I want.